Hello everyone, welcome to next video tutorial on third module. In the previous class, I have explained how to analyze the application. The data what we obtained during web spidering is not sufficient. Along with that, we have to fetch the functionalities regarding those content which are extracted. The next thing is that identifying server side technologies. Okay, it indicates that we are going to perform a fingerprint of a technology, by copying the information of an web server. We are able to identify which all softwares are running in that web server, and how to that in order to design that web server, which all framework has been implemented, and these all information to be gathered. And using this we can create one more application, we can create one more server. In that, the first step is that banner grabbing indicate that an http header, or you can say that a web server which define uh, a fine grade information, nothing but it will define which all softwares we are embedding, and which all components that have been installed in the web server. uh, and along with that, each web server contain an header. This header will give the huge amount of details about some installation. Like in this example, he has given Apache web server, then which is the operating system it's running on, and which is the model they implemented to provide authentication, then which is the how they have designed their website by making use of PHP, and how to call the front pages, then secure socket layer for providing the authentication. These all informations will be available, by using which we can identify in order to design a web server which all configurations are required. Along with that, we can contain the it will define the template used to build the HTML pages. Every server is having their own template. If we found that the particular web server having this kind of template, I can incorporate such HTML template in my website. Okay. Similarly, different headers are there, and which all query parameters are sent using query string. If we know all this data, by using which we can design our own application. Then HTTP fingerprinting. HTTP fingerprinting means we have to copy the HTTP protocol. Like in the HTTP header, there will be an space is there that allows the administrator to configure the banner. Means that for utilizing that space, and using that, the administrator can add the new functionalities. Okay. If we know the new functionalities, that time the person want to attack the software can make use of this optional value, and he can deviate the application from what it will actually intend to perform. Okay. uh, Next is file extension. We can identify which all files are used in the uh, website. like uh, you can say Microsoft Active Server page, then .NET Java Server page, Cold Fusion, Hypertext Preprocessor. These all information means, if we know the web server uses these kind of programming techniques, then it will help an attacker to design their own website by saying these all informations are implemented in the authenticated server. Okay. Then even though there are some websites, they won't allow which extension they are using in their website. It is possible to verify whether the technology supporting that extension is implemented on the server. Like in the ASP.NET, even though the website will not relieve that they are using ASP.NET, but output what we are obtaining from that website, that the output screen matches with the output given by the ASP.NET. By seeing the snapshot or results of an website execution, we can say that they are using ASP.NET. And similarly, there are many tools are there. They will extract all the information from the website. Along with that, they access all the file extension. using which we can say that these all programming language they are embedded in their website. Okay, then like here he has given the directory names. Like if the application is stored in a particular directory, by using by seeing the name of the directory, we can say that the website has been using this kind of the programming languages. And similarly, another way we can get the data is session tokens. Okay, during the execution of an particular functionality, yeah, the website will generate their own tokens, and tokens response will be like J session and J session ID. Then Microsoft IS server, they will respond with their own particular ID. By using that ID, we can say that they are following these of the following languages to implement their project. Then third party code components. Third party components are nothing but here we are going to the website will not install the software, but they will make use of an third party software to implement the functionality, like shopping cart, login mechanism, and message boards. They make use of an another set of components that are freely available to everyone. Okay, so making use of this open source technology, an attacker can identify the behavior of an website, and that makes an easy target for the attacker to access the data. Okay, and software may contain known vulnerabilities that have been discussed elsewhere. You may be able to download and install the components yourself and perform. So you can, by using this open source, you can install the new functionality in that application, and you can get the control of the web server. Okay, this is how identifying server side technology get works. In the next video I am going to explain uh, identifying server side technology functionalities. Okay, thank you.